Hello children, in this class let's study about addition of 3-digit numbers. In this topic we will learn without pre-grouping. So let's add 245 and 432. Arrange the numbers according to their place values. Hundreds place, tens place and ones place. In the first step, we have to add the numbers in the ones place, that is 5 plus 2, and write 7 in the ones place. And step 2, we have to add the tens place numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7, write 7 in the tens place column. And step 3, we have to add the numbers in hundreds place, that is 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So write 6 in the hundreds place. Now let's see the exercise 1. First main we have to add the numbers. Yes, start with ones. 5 plus 2 is 7, and the tens place 2 plus 1 is 3, and the hundreds place 3 plus 3 is 6. We get 637. Now the next number, ones place is 5, tens place is 5 plus 1 6, and the hundreds place is 6 plus 2, it is 8. So the number is 865. Similarly, you can solve the next questions of this exercise. Story sum. Mohan has 2 stamp albums. One album has 206 stamps and the other album has 343 stamps. So how many stamps does Mohan have in all? Yes, you can add the place values one by one. So total stamps with the Mohan has 649.
We have learned to add 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Now I will tell you how to add 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us add 39 and 46. First, we will arrange the numbers vertically in columns. Write 3 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. Next, write 4 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. First, we will add the digits in the ones place. That is, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Here, 15 has 1 tens and 5 ones. So we will write 5 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place as shown on the screen. Now add all the digits at tens place. That is 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. So the sum of 39 and 46 is 85.
Now let's see the exercise 2. First main, add the numbers 40 and 60. Here the ones place is 0 and the tens place 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1 will go in the hundreds place. Similarly, 0 plus 9 gives 9 in the ones place and 7 plus 3 gives again 10, which is a 2-digit number. So write 1 in the hundreds place. Similarly, you can solve the story sum. There are 63 cows and 27 buffaloes in a farm. How many animals are there in the farm? Write the two numbers according to their place value, that is 63 and 27. The ones place has 7 plus 3, 10. 1 go as a carry. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. So total animals present in the farm are 90.
229 and 146. We always begin addition in the ones place. First, we find the sum of the digits in the ones place. The digits in the ones place are 9 and 6. We can use the making 10 strategy to find the sum. The sum in the ones place is 15. However, we cannot put 2 digits in the ones place. So we can regroup 1 to the tens place up high and put the 5 in the ones place down low. Next, we move over to the tens place. Now there are 3 digits in the tens place. 1, 2, and 4. We can use the counting on strategy to find the sum. Start with the greater number 4 and count on 2. Then count on 1. The sum in the tens place is 7. Last, we move over to the hundreds place. There are only 2 digits in the hundreds place, 2 and 1. The sum in the hundreds place is 3. Now we know the sum of 229 and 146 is 375. Follow these steps to master 3-digit addition with regrouping. Awesome, awesome.
As we see the video, here we'll solve the addition of 3-digit numbers. Add the numbers. Ones place we have 6 plus 4, 10. 1 goes as a carry. 5 plus 3 plus 1 carry makes 9 in the tens place and 5 in the hundreds place. Second one, 8 plus 9 gives 17. 1 goes as a carry and no numbers in the tens. So 1 is the answer. And hundreds place, 4 plus 3 gives 7. We'll see the story sum. Maya read 2 books in her holidays. First book has 164 pages and the second book has 108 pages more than the first book. How many pages does the second book have? So add the numbers. Yes, 272 is the total number of pages in the second book.
Today, our lesson is on addition with regrouping. And we are going to do addition. So we are going to do the same problem, but this time we are going to use base 10 blocks. So here I have the numbers represented using the base 10 blocks. In the first row, we have 100, 5 tens and 7 ones. So that is 157. In the second row, we have 100, 8 tens and 5 ones. So we have 185. Now we know that 7 added to 5 will give us 12. So we have 12 ones. But we cannot put the 12 ones in the ones column. So we are going to take out 10 ones to regroup it. We know that 10 ones make up 110. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do we do with the 10 ones? We trade it for 110 because 10 ones make up 110. So we add a 10 to the tens column. And how many ones do we have remaining? We have 2 ones remaining. So we are going to put the 2 in the ones column. So here we see we have our 2 ones and we have our tens and we have our hundreds. Now 8 add 5 is 13, but remember we added a 10 to the tens column because we traded the 10 ones for 110. So now we have 14 tens, but we cannot put 14 tens under the tens. So I'm going to take out 10 tens. And you would know from a previous lesson that 10 tens is the same as 100. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we took out our 10 tens. And what are we going to do with it? We are going to trade it for 100. So we're just exchanging it, right? We trade it for 100. How many tens do we have remaining? We have 4 tens remaining. So we are going to put the 4 tens under our tens, and then we have 3 hundreds.
Yes, add the numbers in this exercise. 336 plus 183. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 3 plus 8 in the tens place makes 11. 1 goes as a carry and 5 in the hundreds place. Similarly, 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 goes as a carry and 2 plus 1 is 3 in the hundreds place. Similarly, you can solve the remaining questions. Now the story sum. A school library has 326 story books and 389 other books. How many books are there in the library? Writing according to the place value. So one's place will have 6 plus 9, which is 15. 1 goes as a carry. And 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. And hundreds place, 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. So total number of books in the library are 715. I hope you understood. Solve the next questions in this exercise. See you in the next class.